do is grab some pliers now. That silver ring should pull off. Hopefully reduce the size to enough to fit in your hub. Very close, we've just got to knock the edges in a bit and I reckon that'll go.
Pulling teeth. Plan is to try and MacGyver something up to fix the situation. So we've been rattling our brains to figure out something that's going to fit, and Daniel come up with this idea. The MDC pewter mug might just be purposely built for this situation, so we'll see how it goes.
One custom MDC hubcap.
That's pretty good.
Multi grips and a grinder.